Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Living Life Barefoot. It's early this morning. Had a big storm just roll through. Got a whole bunch of rain. But we have baby chicks coming tomorrow. We have 15 chicks coming in the mail tomorrow. So our little brooder that we always raise them up in is out here in the pasture. It's out in the woods. I haven't looked at it in quite a while, so I'm not 100% sure what condition it's in. But bring you along with me today. I'm gonna get on the four-wheeler, hook the trailer up, and get the brooder brought up here to the big shed, and get the lights and everything, the heat lamps and everything pulled out, and just get it ready for them in the morning. Usually when we have baby chicks delivered, the post office calls us 7:30 and they want them picked up right away. So it'll be early in the morning when we pick them up. I just want to make sure everything's ready. So just come along with me and see what we can get done today. It's funny when the new baby sheep are learning how to baa. They sound like they're dying. It's funny. I assume everyone that lives in the country and raises animals and kind of living this self-sufficient lifestyle, gardening and building things, everybody has a little spot like this. I assume somewhere on their property has just odds and ends, pieces of fencing and concrete blocks and stuff that you don't use all the time, and it would just be in the way if it was in the shed. So here's my spot. It's out here in this little piece of woods we got. But this is what I'm after here. I built this many years ago. It's got hardware cloth on the top and the bottom. And then it's just got OSB sides on. Still seems pretty solid. All right, I'll get it loaded up. I'm gonna back the trailer down here so I don't have to carry it so far. and got everything out here in the woods that we need loaded up. I got all the feeders and the waters for the baby chicks are up in our small shed, and I believe I disinfected them before we put them up, so they should be ready to go. We got pine shavings I got in the big shed. I'm out of breath. I forgot last year the bottom of this had rotted out a little bit, and I had some just spare 2x6s laying around, so that's what I repaired it with. So it's kind of heavy. But anyway, we'll get this up to the shed. I'm gonna set it on some bricks, get the pine shavings in it, and then go up to the other shed and get all the feeders, the waters, and the heat lamps out. Make sure I got all that ready. Make sure the bulbs are still good. I'm pretty sure I still got at least one good bulb left. So, all right, here we go. I got it set up. That's where they'll be getting raised up the first 2 to 3 weeks that we have them. So I built this many years ago, and I used it for this same purpose at least once or twice a year. We raise 50 to 60 meat birds. So it's real simple. It's, I don't know, 4 foot long, 2 foot wide probably, and 2 foot deep. It's got a hinge top on it. It's got a wire mesh bottom on. It's kind of dark in here, and I just set it on bricks so a lot of the waste will go through the wire. I'll cover this wire with shavings. I'll do that here in a minute, show you how I do it. And then we'll go get the feeders and the waters and get them out here and get them set up. If you don't have one of these neck knives from MTK Knives, you need to get online and check them out. They're pretty awesome. All right, so there's that. Got all the shavings in. Come with me up to the shed. We'll check out the water and feeder situation. I'm back here in the big shed. Went and got all of our baby chick supplies. Pulled out of the little shed. So I got these little 1 gallon waters for them for the first couple weeks while they're still real small. I also use these shorter, small feeders for them. I got 3 of them here. The first couple weeks that they're alive, because they're just not quite tall enough to reach the other feeders and the other big water jugs that we got. So this is what we have for the first couple weeks. Also got 2 heat lamps here. It is getting down in the mid to low 60s at night, so they are going to have a heat source for the first couple weeks till they start getting their big feathers. So check back with us hopefully tomorrow morning. They should be here, so hopefully by tomorrow morning we'll have baby chicks in here. All right, y'all, hope you're having a good day. Hope everybody dodged all those crazy storms coming through the Midwest last night. They got here to Illinois where we live this morning, and by the time they got here they died down. But the weather's been crazy, that's for sure. So thanks again for watching Living Life Barefoot. Please subscribe to the channel. We're getting really close to 2,000. I think it was like 1,750. We got like 100 more subscribers after our last video. So that's awesome. We really appreciate it. Also, comment below if you raise chickens, if there's anything you see that I'm doing that you would do different. Always looking for advice from experienced people or a different way to do things. So just comment below. Please share our videos.